See what's really driving load at the grid edge. Sense Home Analytics uses Waveform AI to detect and measure real-time home energy consumption, revealing what interval data can't. You get precise insight into what's on, when it's on, and how energy is being used, filling a critical data gap. Granular categories show what's changing in the home, from cooling and water heating to hard-to-detect inverter-based loads like heat pumps. And there's no hardware to install, no customer setup, and no historical data required. Just immediate insights from your smart meter rollout. With frequent category-level updates, you can fine-tune programs earlier, make smarter adjustments, and measure impact. You can stay ahead of grid stress. Home Analytics can help you prioritize grid investment by pinpointing where load growth is highest. And real usage patterns help you shape time of use rates, design targeted programs, and increase customer satisfaction. API ready today and built for scale, Home Analytics integrates across your utility, from planning and operations to customer engagement. Learn more at sense.com today.